Good morning everyone. My name is Rizky Pratiwi. I am an English teacher in Cisayong Senior High School. And now, I'm student on program Profesi Guru 2022 in Yogyakarta University. Today, I would like to share my experience in teaching learning process. And this activities is taken on Monday, 12th of June 2023. Here is my card and here's my video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning everybody.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. You?
Okay, I'm fine too. Okay, student, who is absent today?
Salsa.
Salsa. Why is Salsa?
Yes.
Sick. Okay, sick. Salsa. Okay, before we study today, I want to lead the. Who is the leader? Okay, please lead the train.
Before we study, let us pray together.
Meja hanya ada buku tulis, your book, your pen or pencil. Okay. Before we begin our study today, I want to ask you, did you remember what is the material in the last meeting? Experience and then history and then where is the story happen? Where is the story happen? In here, I want to picture about the story. Okay. Do you know what the story tell about? The picture 1 and the picture 2? Okay. The picture 1 is the story about Cinderella, and the picture 2 is story about Sangkuriang. Do you like the story about Cinderella and Sangkuriang? Do you like the story?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe for the girl you like Cinderella, yes, and then for the boy you like Sangkuriang. Okay. Can you tell me what is the Cinderella tell the story about? About princess. About the glass shoes. About prince. And then about ya tentang percintaan love. Okay. And then do you know about the story Sangkuriang?
Yes.
What is it?
About
About Tangkuban Perahu. Ya, yang kita tahu this is about Tangkuban Perahu. So what is the difference between Cinderella and Sangkuriang? Is it the difference? Yes or no? Why? The type. Okay, good. For the Cinderella, fairy tale. Ya, karena lebih ke kerajaan, princess gitu ya. And then for the Sangkuriang, legend because okay, because tell about place happen. Ya, bagaimana suatu tempat itu terjadi. Okay, good. Tadi sudah tahu ya, this is about Tangkuban Perahu. Okay, can you guess? Can you guess? Apakah kamu bisa tebak? What is the material for the meeting? Because I show you the Cinderella and Sangkuriang. Can you guess the material for today? Story. Naratif. Ya, mungkin sudah pernah di SMA and Sankuria. This is the story, but it has the different type. Ya, type-nya apa saja nanti akan kita bahas. Tapi sebelumnya, I will give you a purpose for today atau tujuan pembelajaran kali ini, yaitu yang pertama, sama dengan pertemuan sebelumnya, apabila kita membahas teks, kita harus bisa memahami fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan. Ini kebetulan tadi kau membahas tentang legenda legend. Ya, berarti tadi yang masuk ke legend itu yang mana di sini? Ya, jadi kalian bisa membedakan kira-kira nanti kita akan ketemu dengan teks yang bagaimana. Yang kedua, yaitu kamu bisa menganalisis. Ya, setelah paham fungsi sosialnya apa, generic structure-nya apa, nanti kamu analisis mana yang termasuk struktur teksnya atau unsur kebahasaannya, atau mungkin isi ceritanya bagaimana. Ya, dipahami. Yang selanjutnya yaitu nanti kamu harus mendemonstrasi atau menampilkan dari isi cerita tersebut dengan cara bagaimana. You should tell the story in front of the classroom. Ya, jadi nanti setelah kamu paham isi ceritanya, you should retell the story. Okay? You understand? Are you ready? Ready. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, look at the picture here. I have two pictures. Can you look at this? Okay, di sini I have two pictures. This is the picture 1, and then the picture 2. Kenapa saya memberikan kamu gambar seperti ini? Karena tadi kita akan membahas about legend. Ya, okay. So, do you know what is the picture in number 1? Do you know what the picture is in number 1? What the story about? What is it? Sankuria. Why do you know? Okay, ada perahu, ada boat. Yeah, and then he throws the boat. Yeah, he throws the boat. And then the picture 2? Surabaya. Atau Surabaya. Ya, kenapa kamu tahu Surabaya? Nah, ya, ada hiu dan shark and crocodile. Okay. What do you think about learning English story? Can you give me the opinion why you should read the story? For what? What is the function of the story for you especially? To kira-kira untuk apa sih kamu di buku baca cerita, entah itu cerita legend or fairy tale or maybe fable, what is it? Untuk menghibur, terus untuk mengajarkan pesan-pesan, ya, karena di dalam cerita naratif itu pasti mengandung pesan moral atau pesan moral. In the Sankuria and Sura and Baya, what is your favorite story? Sankurianya ini cerita dari zaman kamu masih kecil, ya. When was you child? Ya, kalau Sankuria, kalau Surabaya, have you heard about the story Sura and Baya? Sudah pernah? Ya, mungkin udah tahu ya. Oh, itu adalah asal usul tentang kota Surabaya. Okay. So, for now we are going to discuss about narrative. You can discuss about definition, social function, generic structure, types, and language feature. Ini sama dengan the context kemarin, ya. In the last city, definition is about pengertian. Ya, what is the narrative? Ya. And then social function is purpose atau fungsinya apa. And then generic structure, what is it? Struktur kalimat atau bagian-bagian dari kalimat. And then types, jenis, ya, karena story itu has many types. And then language feature, unsur kata menggunakan sentences apa ya, terus ada kata apa yang ada di sana. Nanti kita analisis. So, tadi kamu sudah mengetahui, you knew about the picture Sangkuriang, Cinderella, and then Surabaya. Can you give me a conclusion? What is the narrative text? Jadi apa sih narrative text itu?
Fiction story.
Text, fiction, story, or imagination story. Apakah cerita naratif itu benar-benar terjadi real? No, ya. It's the difference between recount. Ya, kalau recount is real story. Oke, berarti definitionnya narrative text is imagination story. And then for social function, what is the writer write the narrative? What is the purpose? For social function, tadi menghibur, ya, entertain or to amuse, ya. Jadi entertainment kan hiburan, ya. Jadi untuk menghibur, to entertain. Oke. Generic structure-nya apa?
Representation.
Coba ada yang tahu kira-kira kalau cerita Cinderella secara kamu baca ada apa saja dalam cerita itu? Pengenalannya, terus apa lagi? Muncul masalah, lalu setelah muncul masalah ada solusi. Nanti kita bahas. Terus jenis-jenisnya yang kamu tahu. Jenis cerita itu ada apa saja? What is the type of story? Yang tadi fairy tale, ya, mistis, terus apa lagi? Romance, ya banyak itu jenis-jenisnya. Kalau language teacher ini hampir sama dengan recount, because the narrative text is tell about the past event. So you see, past tense. Ya, kata-katanya apa saja untuk language teacher nanti kita bahas. Ya, namun sebelumnya, I want you to watch the videos. I have one videos about the legend. Please understand about the story. Okay, are you ready?
We really thought Tumam was just a pet.
Only the forest with Tuma. We need to meet for the party.
Yes, mother. I will definitely bring back a lot of meat.
Sangria went to the forest accompanied by Tumam. The whereabouts of Tumam, who hadn't been seen at the palace party.
My son, you see Tuma? I've been looking everywhere, but he's nowhere to be seen.
Finally, Sangria admitted what he had done.
For now, please move with your group. Kita sudah ada grupnya ya, tadi sudah kita buat. Silakan you move with your group and then do your exercise. Tadi saya sudah bagikan exercise-nya. Sekarang silakan kamu moving with your group. Okay, let's begin. Oke, for now, kamu sekarang sudah bergabung dengan grupnya masing-masing, and then do your exercise. There has two story about the story of Lake Toba and then the story of Sula and Baya. Look at activity 1. Semuanya look at activity 1. Di sana you should analyze from the title until the moral message based on the story. For the group 1 about what's your story about? Lake Toba, and then the 2 Sula and Baya. 3 Lake of Toba, and then 4 Sula and Baya. Please analyze the general structure and the story about your story. Okay, I will give you 20 minutes, yeah, 20 minutes, and then prepare for the presentation in front of the classroom. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Okay, let's begin. the story of Lake Toba?
We tell the story of Lake Toba. Orientation, paragraph 1. Because paragraph 1 tells about time, name, and place. Complication, paragraph 2 and 3. Because paragraph 2 and 3, there has a problem. There is, he meets the golden fish demon, and met his wife on condition of keeping the secret that he was the fish, but the man broke his promise. Resolution, paragraph 4. Because there has a solution. There is Sultan Daughter Surat Abu Hills because a whole disaster was about to come. The orientation, no one.
Who is the character in the story? Toba, his wife is the big golden fish, and his daughter, if I'm not mistaken, his name is Samuel. Where is the story take place? The story is not Persia. What is the characteristic of each character? Characteristic Toba is diligent but grumpy. Characteristic his wife is dependent and caring. And characteristic Samuel is greedy and naughty. What is the conflict or problem in this story? Toba meets the golden fish demon and makes him his wife by promising not to reveal the secret that his wife is a fish. But one day, Toba broke his promise and disaster because. What is the moral message based on the story? We must to be honest and trustworthy, and as a child, we should be filial. Okay, thank you. That is all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you for this group. And then the next, please, for Amel's group. Silakan, Amel. Tepuk tangan semua.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today in here, we would like to do a presentation about the story Surah An-Naba. My name is Julian and my friend.
Title Surat An-Naba. Orientation, paragraph 1. Because there is good, well, and great. Complication, paragraph 2. Because they were both hungry and they only saw one God, they finally fought. Resolution, paragraph 3 and 4. Because in the end they made an agreement not to lie in the same place. The orientation, biology.
Who is the character in the story? Surah, Ayat, and God. Where is the story take place? In the sea, in river, and in the land. What is the characteristic of each character? Surah, the characteristic of Surah is greedy and broken promise. Spaya is greedy. What is the conflict or problem in the story? Because they're looking for some food and Surah broke the promise. What is the moral message in the story? Don't be greedy and broke the promise because it's not good. That's the result of the presentation and thanks for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Pumas and Julia. And then for now, I want you to retell the story about Surah An-Naba and then like Toba. Okay, who wants to try to retell the story about Surah An-Naba? Okay, please Alfian. Tepuk tangan untuk Alfian.
Hi, good morning. I would like to tell details story about Surah An-Naba. Have a listening.
A long time ago, there were two animals, Sura and Maya. Sura was a shark, and Maya was a crocodile. There lived a sheep. They were friends. One day, Sura and Maya was for looking for some food. Suddenly, Maya saw a goat. Yummy, this is my life, said Maya. No way, this is my lunch. You are greedy, said Sura. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rizkan, and I would like to retell again about the story of Tobali. So, a long time ago, there was a farmer in Bali in North Sumatra named Toba. One day, Toba is going to go fishing. And after hours fishing, finally got a big goldfish. And he's going to go back to his home and wanna cook the fish. But the firewood is used up, so he put the fish in the basin and go to the forest for looking some firewood. But surprisingly, she can read Toba's mind and answer it that she wanna be his wife if he wanna, but with one condition. What the condition is? The condition is he's not allowed to say that she is a fish. And Toba approved with that condition, and they both got married. Few years later, they both got a son named Samosir. Samosir is a lazy and naughty boy. Someday, Samosir got asked by his mother to give a lunch for his father in the field. Samosir wanted to do that, but on the way, he played with their friends instead of go to the field. After playing, he feels starving and ate his father's lunch. At the field, his father waited for so long. And after Samosir came to the field, Samosir gave the lunch to his father. And Tobas knew that the lunch is empty. Knowing that the lunch is empty, Toba was angry to Samosir and slapped him really hard and said that Samosir is a child of a fish. Hearing that, Samosir cried and ran to his mother and tell everything to his mother that his father said that I'm a child of a fish. His mother was shocked and said because his husband broke the promise. After that, Samosir got asked by his mother to go to fields immediately. Suddenly, the skies turned dark, and the flood started coming from the river. The flood is coming through the fields, and the flood is hit Tobas in the field. Tobas was drowned, but his wife is jumped to the water and became a goldfish again. Now the valley is turned into a lake, and the lake name is Toba Lakes. And in the middle of the Toba Lakes, there is an island called Samosir Island. So that is the story of Toba's Lake. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you for Fitri, Dita, Julian, Bunga, Rizkan, and Alfian for your presentation. Give applause for. And then now I want you to go back to your seat. Okay, please. I have sent a link for the post test. Please open your handphone. Tadi Ibu sudah kirimkan link untuk post test kita hari ini. Silakan dikerjakan Google Form-nya. I will give you time about 5 minutes. Okay, let's begin. Good luck.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for your group exercise. And then I want to ask you before we end this meeting, what have you learned today? What have you learned today? Apa yang sudah kalian pelajari pada hari ini? Oke, apa saja yang sudah kita pelajari about the narrative? Definition, generic structure, moral value, language features, type, social function, and then presentation. Ya, tadi ya kita sudah belajar menganalisis, analyze the generic structure, and isi dari story tersebut. And then you try storytelling, ya, about Toba Lake, about Lake Toba and Surabaya. Okay, what did you like about today's lesson? Apa yang kalian suka dari pelajaran hari ini? Oke, jadi kalian bisa tahu ya, bisa bercerita nanti ada ya for your sister or your brother, maybe for your friend ya. Jadi kalian sudah tahu tekniknya bagaimana. Oke, what did you not understand about the lesson today? Apa yang kalian belum paham dari pembelajaran hari ini? Yang masih bingung? No what? No? Oke, berarti semuanya sudah paham? Oke, thank you very much. So, I will give you the information for the next meeting. Tadi kita hanya menampilkan beberapa storytelling dari teman kalian, but for the next meeting you should storytelling independent with your independent task. Ya, jadi secara mandiri kalian tampilkan storytellingnya seperti apa Rinsan and Alfian. You choose between Lake Toba or Surabaya, bebas free ya mau yang mana. And then you make a video. Rinsan sama Alfian juga tinggal dibuat videonya nanti. You make a video and then upload to YouTube. And then the next meeting you send me a link of your YouTube. Okay, do you understand? Yes. If you understand, I think for today is enough. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.